Amelia's heart raced with excitement as she pressed the phone against her ear, pacing backstage in her sparkling silver dress. The call connected, and the warm voice of her fiancé, Daniel, filled the line.
Baby, guess what?
She squealed, almost jumping with joy.
I made it. I qualified for the final stage of the 2025 modeling edition.
Daniel laughed, the sound like music to her ears.
I knew you could do it, Amelia. I'm so proud of you. You've worked so hard for this moment.
Tears welled up in Amelia's eyes, but they were happy tears.
You know how much I've dreamed of being a top model since I was a little girl. I can't believe I'm this close. Daniel, I need you here. I need you cheering me on so I can win.
I'll be there in no time, Daniel said, his voice steady and reassuring. Just hang tight, gorgeous.
Do you know you can create a faceless AI movie videos like what you just watched and start making money on YouTube? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do that in just some few minutes with AI, just some few clicks, and you're ready to go. Now, to be able to create a creative video like what you just watched, it comes with creativity plus AI. The reason why we need creativity is we don't want the generic storyline that ChatGPT or AI used to give us whenever we request for an interesting story to be written. So the first thing I did was to sketch my story. This is a story I sketched, even though it is not well detailed, but it's the skeleton story for ChatGPT to be able to enhance that for me. So after you come out with your sketch, the next thing you need to do is to ask ChatGPT to elaborate or expand the story using the sketch that you have provided. So you can see ChatGPT has done exactly that for me. So this is a story, it's just a 5-minute story. It's about a lady whose dream is to become a top model in the future. She was on a phone call with her boyfriend telling her to come and cheer her up because she has now qualified for the final stage and she hoped to be part of the top models. Just after the phone call, she was called on stage to come and do her own thing. After she went for the 2 rounds, the second round she slipped and fell, or she broke her ankle and fell. Okay, so that's how pathetic the story was. She was quite down because she thought she would not be able to win because of that. Lo and behold, as she was on the hospital bed, her mom came with a medal and the flowers in her hand, congratulating her that she has won the competition. Okay, so that's what the storyline is about. So now the next thing I went ahead was to ask ChatGPT to give me a detailed description of all the characters in the movie. So you can see ChatGPT has given me the detailed description of all the characters. So far we have about 5 characters in the movie. Now the next thing I went ahead is to ask ChatGPT to give me image prompt for all the characters. The reason why we need a detailed prompt is because we don't want ChatGPT to just give us any prompt like that. So the description ChatGPT initially gave us will guide ChatGPT to generate the image prompt for us. So you can see ChatGPT has generated all the image prompts. So the next thing I did was to copy this prompt like this and generate that using Leonardo AI. So I copied it one after the other like this and generate that with Leonardo AI. So on Leonardo AI, you first need to click on the image button like this and open. Then this is where you enter your prompt. Then after that, you click on you choose your preset or the model that you want to use. So for the preset, we clicked on it and choose cinematic kino. That's what we are using for this particular story. Then we also decide to maintain the style on cinematic and then high contrast with the image dimension to be 16:9 aspect ratio. So you can see that's what we use to generate all the images. Then this one, I changed the image dimension to be mobile 9:16. So mobile by 9:16, you just click on the custom like this and select your custom image. Great. So that's what we did. Now to generate Amelia in a different scene, so this Amelia here and she's the same person here, so I use the character reference feature to do that. So for you to be able to do that, you have to enter your prompt here and click on the icon here and choose this star reference and select the character that you want to use as reference. So here, because I generated this image here, I click on the generate button or generation button and choose my character. So this is the character that I want to use as reference. So one of these characters, then If you want to see her doing another activity, you go back to ChatGPT and copy the next prompt that is related to Amelia, maintaining the description in the prompt here, and then add another action and a different environment to the prompt, and Leonardo is going to give you the image you want. So that is what we did to generate Amelia. Now the next thing we needed to do was to bring our image back to life by animating it using another AI tool. So to do that, you use Kling AI to do that. Now you can see I've generated Amelia walking. We have also generated Amelia in a blue dress. Now this is not how Amelia was. I'm going to show you how I did it. So for me to be able to generate Amelia wearing this blue dress, I'm going to show you how she did it. And then for you to see Amelia walking from this door, I'm also going to show you how I did it, because this is the original image of Amelia. This original image of Amelia, she wasn't walking from a door. So I'm going to show you how I did this in Kling AI. So on Kling AI, click on the create button like this before you can be able to start, and you can see the icon for the icon for Kling AI has changed by the same thing, so make sure you take note of that. Then the next thing you're going to do is to bring your cursor to the left here, click on the image generation first. You can now click on the video generation button here. So now what we are going to do is to import the image that we want to animate. So the first image that we need animated, this particular one, let me show you how I did it. So I imported the image of Amelia, this image, wait for it to finish uploading. Now the next thing I did was to come to elements. So click on elements like this and click on upload image. So what I did was to click on this particular image and then click on open. Now what this actually means is that I don't want her to work from her background, but rather work from this door. So when you set the background for her, your image will no more be animated in this background, but rather on the second background that you have provided. So when you're done, you click on the generate button, then you generate your animation. So that is how come I came up with this particular animation. Now I'm going to show you how I also change a outfit from this one to the blue outfit. So this particular outfit. So now let me show you how I did this. For you to change an outfit, bring your cursor to the virtual area here, AI virtual try on, click on it like this, then click on AI virtual try on. So click on it like this. Then here you're going to import the image that you have generated that you want to change the outfit. So here you click on the upload button here and click on the icon and import the image that you want to change the outfit. So this particular image, this is the image that I want to change the outfit, this one. So I'm going to click on open. Then what I did was to choose the garment. So you see we have single garment and multiple garment. Single garment is for straight dress, multiple garment is for top and down. So here you're going to click on the output and choose the garment that you want to give to your character. So I chose this particular garment like this and click on the open button, and then Kling AI was able to put this garment on for my character. So this is the outcome of what Kling AI did for us. The next thing what we did was to generate this into animation form. So to generate this one to animation form, you choose the one you want to use. So I click on the generate video button like this. Then there are two options here. Either you're going to start your hair modeling from here, from start to end on a different place, or you are going to give her a different background. So this particular one, I don't like the background. It's quite blurred. I don't like it so much. So I decided to give her a different background. So click on the element like this and then click on the upload image button and import the background that you want to give to her. So this is a background I added. Make sure anytime you want to animate your character, after importing your images, you enter your prompt. So here is a model turning around to show her outfit. Here you need to enter your negative comments. So that means that you don't want any distortion, you don't want any blurriness and so many other things. When you are done, you click on the generate button and it will take your image from here to this background. So that is what happened here. So you see she's wearing her blue dress, and the background has also changed. Look at it, the lighting, look at this one. So that is how come I came up with this particular modeling character here. Now the next thing I did was to generate the rest of the characters using simple method. So this is Daniel. What I did was to also come to frames like this. Then let me delete this one for you to for me to show you how I did it. Click on the icon and then select Daniel. So this is Daniel like this. Then click on the open button. Import Daniel image to the frame. Now what I did was to start the conversation from here to end here. So to end here, I decided to add some flair or some images of my own choice. I just wanted to expand my creativity beyond the AI. So I click on the icon like this and I generated a picture of a car, this car like this. Then I added it here. So after that, I click on the generate button and I generated Daniel. I wanted him to walk towards the car. So you can see in the background, we have that yellow car you are seeing there. That's how come I came up with all these things. The video is quite lengthy, so we have to make it this way so that you'll be able to get everything within one click. Now let me show you how I came up with this particular garment. So I asked ChatGPT to give me a description of all the outfit that I use in this video. So let me show you how I came up with this one. So here I asked ChatGPT give me a description of all the outfits Amelia wore. We are more interested in Amelia because she's the main protagonist, or she was performing different activities. So here you can see ChatGPT gave me the prompt and I copied the keywords in it and I generated this outfit using Hailuo AI. So if you want me to share the prompt with you, go to the comment section and type share the prompt with me. I'm going to leave a link to the prompt in the comment section, but somewhere in this video too I'm going to tell you how you can have access to all the prompts in this video. So now on Hailuo AI, I entered the prompt and generated here. So this is where you enter your prompt, then generate your outfit. So this is the first outfit I generated. This is another one. This is where I also generated the stage or the runway from. So initially when I generated it, you can see we have people working on it. So I have to regenerate again. Tell Hailuo to generate empty runway for models with crowd cheering side by side. No one is working on it. So just give the AI what you want. Okay, you don't have to make it so complicated. Even simple words the AI will understand. Doors she worked from, so I generated it from here. Then these are some of the outfits that I also generated for her. So that's what you do to generate the outfit and other things that you want to add to your movie. Now let's move on to the next thing. So now the next thing, we asked ChatGPT to extract all the dialogues in the story for you. So let me show you the prompt I gave ChatGPT. So here I asked ChatGPT extract all the dialogues for each character that I can use to generate individual voiceover. I want ChatGPT to be able to separate or split it so that we can generate the dialogue separately. So to generate the dialogue, you can use 11 Labs to do that. So just go to 11 Labs like this, then click on the first link, click on the get started for free button and choose any of the voiceover option to use. So for the voiceover, we need one for Amelia, we need one for Daniel, we also need one for the narrator herself and also Amelia's mother. So for that, you go to the voices area and search for any voiceover option to use. So for the voiceover option, we can use Mac, or you can use any voiceover of your choice. Click on the library like this and then select any voiceover of your choice and use. When you are done selecting, click on the use and add it to your dashboard. Then here you're going to delete your previous script and paste your current one. So let me go back and copy the dialogue of Daniel and generate for you to see how it goes. First, so copy it like this, then go back to 11 Labs, then paste it here, and then hit on the generate button to generate your voiceover for Daniel.
Wow, that's amazing.
Great, so I hope you see how it came out. So what you're going to do is to click on the download button to download the dialogue of Daniel. Now the next thing you need to do is also generate for generate everything for Amelia at a go, choose a female voiceover, then generate for Mrs. Brooks, choose another female voiceover. And then when you are done, you're going to merge everything using an editing app of your choice. Now, the next thing you need to do is to lip sync your animation using either Dreamface. So this Dreamface, I use Dreamface to do that, or use SyncLab to do that, or use Hydra to do that. So there are three different AI tools that you can use. So what I did was to import all my images to Dreamface and then add my audio. So let me show you how to do that in a second. So here you're going to click on the add photos button and then import the image that you want to lip sync or the animation you want to lip sync. So this is the image of Daniel. Then what you have to do is to click on the audio like this and import the audio of Daniel to Dreamface. So this is the audio like this. Then the next thing you need to do,
Wow, that's amazing.
Great. So you can go ahead.
I'm so proud of you.
You can go ahead and click on the generate.
Don't worry, I'll be there very soon.
So you can go ahead and click on the generate button to generate your lip sync for Daniel. Then do the same thing for Amelia. When you are done with it, there's going to be a download button here to download it. This comes with the watermark. So to remove the watermark, go to 123 apps, 123 apps like this, and then click on the first link here. Then we are going to choose remove logo from video. So click on it like this. Everything is changing on all these apps. Click on open file, then choose the video that we want to remove the logo from. So go to choose this one of Amelia, click on the open button and import that to 123 apps. Now these are the logos that I want to remove. So I'm going to click on this button and then going to first take this one out, take this one to out like this. Then let's this one to out. When you are finished removing the logos, then you can go ahead and click on the apply button to apply the effect to your video. Then click on the save button to save it. Then click on the export button to export your video. Now go ahead and click on the save button and save this to your computer. Now that we finished generating our clips and also generating our voiceover, the next thing you are going to do is to put everything in an editing app of your choice. So you can use CUPCAT or using any editing app that you want to use. So to use CUPCAT, click on the create project button and then click on the import button and import all the footages. So these are some of the footages. I'm just going to use this as an example. Then click on the open button and import everything to CUPCAT. Then you can go ahead and add everything to your background. Then let's see. Then let's add the next one. We're going to add it here like this. So for you to be able to have a smooth conversation, you have to first play the video and then be doing cut and join. So let's see.
Babe, I made it.
So here she stopped, she paused here and Daniel talked. When you look at the script carefully, so I'm going to split it here and then also listen to Daniel's response. So here we are going to also play Daniel's part.
Wow, that's amazing.
Great. So you see it stops here. So we're going to split it like this and then move it to this side. Okay. So you follow the same steps to cut and join, split and join all the clips or all the pieces together. So now let's see what happens here.
I qualified for the final stage of the 2025 modeling edition.
Great. So let's see. We're going to split it here and then let's come back to Daniel.
Love, I'm so proud of you.
Great. So we're going to split it, then move it and put it somewhere here. It's supposed to be here. Great. So now let's play it from beginning to see.
Babe, I made it.
Wow, that's amazing.
I qualified for the final stage of the 2025 modeling edition.
Love, I'm so proud of you.
So you follow the steps to organize all your video clips in CapCut. When you're done, you can add transition to your video or just leave it like that and then go ahead and export the video to your computer. So to export the video, click on the export button here, rename your video and export it to your computer. So that's how I came up with this interesting movie that you just watched. So what do you think about starting a faceless AI video movie? Is this something you're going to give it a try? You can let me know that in the comment section. Share your thoughts about this video in the comment section. And also, if you're already into it, you can also share your experience with us in the comment section. To access all the prompts I use in this particular video, I'll be leaving everything in my Telegram community. Click on the link in my pinned comment section or the description section of this video and access all the prompts that I use in this video so that you can start using it to create your own. Watch the previous video I created on how to create faceless Bible video on this channel. Until then, I'm going to see you on the other side. Bye bye.